Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do the knockout names using the Phonto app. This app is available free for Apple and Android. When I open the app up, I'm just going to click plain image, tap the white canvas, tap the icon at the top right of the screen, and tap use. We'll add our first text. Just tap the screen, add text, tap your font. Just like with the others, I'll go with Times New Roman for the last name. And once it's on the canvas, I'll resize to make it bigger. Now I'm ready to add my second layer. I will tap the canvas, add text, change my font to I Love Glitter. Then I'll use my open bracket, first name, underscore, second name, and close bracket. And I'll just adjust my size, make it smaller so I can lay it over my last name. And now we're ready to add our shadow. So I'll choose my first name layer, and I'll tap Style. It's the top right of our options. Tap Stroke. I'll move my alpha bar all the way to the right, and the bottom sliding bar is what creates your shadow. So I'd like to make it a little bit thicker. I will choose my layer, hit Style, and I'll slide it to the right a little bit farther. And now we have our design. So I'll tap the export bottom at the bottom right, click Save Image, and now it's saved to my photos. So if you're using Android or your PC, just email it to yourself and upload into Design Space. If you're using iPhone or iPad, we'll just upload our image and use the wand to remove areas of the image that we don't want. So I'll use the wand to tap away the white areas. The good thing about using the Phonto app is that your shadow layer will come out perfectly. The fonts on your phone are ready to use in the Phonto app, and it makes it just a bit easier to line everything up. If you need help uploading an image into Design Space, I have a tutorial for that. Just check my playlist. And I'll also link it below. Okay, so now we're ready to save our design. Just click Next, name your image, and click Save. And from here you can add your established and your dates. You can also do that in the Phonto app. It's just whatever you prefer. Remember, when you're done, to select all your layers, choose Attach, and you're ready to cut. So thanks guys for watching. If the video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thank you.